want to highlight the key takeaway, which is what we were here to offer these community small grants for. So we asked our small grant recipients, did they feel more comfortable and confident about sharing COVID-19 information and hosting COVID-19 related events, be it education events or vaccination events? And you'll see here what those results were. So we did not, thankfully, have a decrease in confidence between the midpoint and endpoint. We were able to maintain their levels of confidence and comfort in offering these events and services. So we had a 75% return rate on an increase, them experiencing an increase in confidence and comfort, and then 25% stated there was no change from the beginning of receiving the grant to the end. And then cumulatively, here is our impact statement as everything that fell under the HealthWorks bracket across all of our grantees. So we were able to effectively develop 44 materials. That includes flyers as well as educational materials that were handed out at our community events. In total, 9 COVID-19 education forums were hosted, and that is between July and still ongoing at this time. We've hosted 22 vaccination events, distributed over 6,000 resources, hosted over 23 vaccination events. And then you did learn about those 3 COVID-19 and long COVID PSAs, reaching over 4,500 people in total through all of our efforts as a part of this small grants through HealthWorks. And here we've also highlighted some of the challenged. So we understand that community-based organizations have experienced some delays with invoicing and payments, and we at Georgia CEAL are working to try to improve that. And we're trying to provide as much assistance and information around that as possible. We experienced some data collection limitations, and that also alludes to the vaccination events that we also experienced limitations with. In trying to partner with commercial pharmacies, there's a bit of hesitancy due to lack of reimbursement rates. And then staff shortages and changes in staff also played a part.